Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So with the extreme heat wave we've been having here in the UK, or what the rest of the world just calls summer, I've not been able to get on the bike and do any videos this week. I have, however, got myself a new toy to play with and hopefully add some more interesting B-roll to the channel. You see, DJI were doing a fantastic event on Amazon and I managed to pick up this DJI Mini 4K for just over 160 quid. And I think at that price it's an absolute steal. I got the one that comes with the claimed 30 minutes of flying and I think that'll be more than enough for what I want to use it for. Of course, this does not have all the latest follow me and obstacle avoidance features, but this is my first ever drone and I wanted to just master the act of flying first. And maybe I'll upgrade in the future if I find myself using it more. Because the internet is awash with second-hand drones being sold by people who bought them with every intention of integrating them into their content, only to use it once and then have it sit in a drawer and never be used again. I do not want to be a statistic, but if I do, at least I won't lose that much money when I come to sell it. Anyways, sit back and enjoy the fantastic countryside views that I have just a stone's throw away from where I live. And I promise you, motorcycle content will resume on the next video, but hopefully with a bit more of a cinematic view going forward.